Hey guys, it's Owen the Sniper here with Marcus. Say hi, Marcus.
Hello.
So we're going to be going on the sand. Not right now, but we're waiting for his dad. We're going to be going on the sand, messing with this remote control car. So, and it's Marcus's, and this is Marcus's house. So don't get worried if it's a different house. So.
I just deleted all the photos by ringing him.
Yeah. So I'll show you remote control car now. It's pretty. It's a good one. It's a good one. This is it. This is the bad boy. He's going to be getting a picture.
We're getting petrol ones in.
So, got rubber wheels. Suspension's good on it. I'm going to show you.
Let me do this.
You can do it. You know what you're doing.
Press that, touch the floor. Frontwards. Backwards. Wait. I can't hold it. Wait.
I can record for 10 minutes now.
Sideways.
Can't see. Yes, sideways, and it goes fast. So we're gonna be riding this on this sand part.
Oh, the wheels.
Near my
they might
house.
look flat, guys. Look.
Just across from my
can't
house.
like. It might do that, but might do this, but it's like his tires are just epic. Look, even if I spin this one this way, this one goes back. So look, I spin this one that way, this one will go that way. Same with these, I think. Oh wait, I just want to broken. No, it's not.
What's up?
No, I was checking if it was broken up.
The edges.
What?
Got a cat laying hand here. On its beds. Hello.
Oh guys, stop it.
Hello. She's like wondering what it is.
Wait, we're going to go downstairs.
Does she know what it's? There's another one somewhere. Where is she?
Where's your house somewhere?
I don't know, somewhere. I don't know where she is. She's gone. Right, so we're just heading downstairs now. We're just waiting for his dad to bring a charger for it so we can charge it up. What charger is it? What?
Big. No, well, it's not big. It's like
What's it?
It's like for some people.
Right.
Go and watch some TV.
Watch some TV. A little bit of TV.
Well, we
Innit?
went.
My sister nearly made drop phone. Let's see what we're putting on.
Oh yeah, I'm just testing.
PlayStation 2.
Yeah, it's my. Well, my mom uses it.
Yeah.
Once until she got DVD player.
You gonna keep that now then?
What?
Are you gonna keep that now then? Hey, you can see me through. I can see me and Mark through thing. See, I got my stick on.
The big stick.
Sky.
What you think? You can create your own amazing style. Then meet up with your friends and show it
What
off.
are you watching?
Chat, have fun, and be a star on moviestarplanet.co.uk.
Okay, why have you got to that?
Mr. Davenport, Leo will be fine. I mean, what's the worst that could happen?
Funny you should ask. I've made an actuary chart which covers every possible catastrophe. You have an 82% chance of coming back to a perfectly normal house. Happy travels.
Don't worry. Eddie is here to monitor every room in the house. He is like a virtual babysitter.
Yeah, and
Takes him to his girlfriend. Aren't ya?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just watching TV.
No floods, no fires, no floods.
Wait, I didn't think about floods.
No.
There's an inflatable raft in the closet.
Oh, is that? I think that's your dad. I think that's your dad.
That's mine.
Right guys, I got some bad news. We are not using that big remote control car, sadly.
We
Because
will be using it tomorrow.
we might be using it in a different
Definitely.
video,
Definitely
maybe.
tomorrow.
but we can't use it because his dad's not coming today. But it might be tomorrow. Marcus, I've not got a lot of charge left, so I've got to hurry up. I've got like 17% left, so I've got to go
Still
to
got that
Sand.
remote control car.
Yeah.
Good. Because I need to use it.
Well, I can't use it because it's running out. It's going out.
Yeah. Use it until it's dead.
It is fully dead.
No, it isn't.
Yes.
No, it isn't.
It's not going anywhere. So
What's it
we're
worth?
just gonna end it at Sandbit, maybe. I don't know. It's just over there. That's where it is. Sand. Let's go walk down these steps. We are finally here. We just got over the road. We had to wait a few times for cars, didn't we?
What? Oh, shit.
Wait for cars. Ah, shoot.
What?
Get through these bushes. Hey, we're in like this golf course sand bit area where they've put loads of piles. I don't know why they put it here, but because they're not using it. It's been here for quite a while now. So what do you want to do for the video?
That good white.
Right, we figured we know what we think we know what to do.
Oh, back.
We're gonna go into these. We're gonna find a way in here because apparently there's a den in here. So, right. So I just got up here. We're heading to there now. Right, let's go. Right, I am in. Marcus, come on. He don't want to come in because he's got shorts on because it's a sunny day.